Guys, hello, traders, prospective traders. How you doing? Scott's back. No trade talk, as I said, that was going to happen. Connor's not feeling well, so I'm just doing an impromptu little video just to discuss my thoughts on how the charts are looking. And no back testing. We'll save that for when Connor's. We reschedule for Thursday. So the video should be up at about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time in Australia, which is GMT plus 10. Okay, so look, I don't have any active trades on right now. Last month, this is a demo account. Obviously, I'm still demo trading, and that's just how it goes. Okay, so I've been watching the Kiwi yen for a little while now, and it's sort of had a little bit of a bounce. And what I see it doing here is it's going to be bouncing around a little bit. But look, we'll get that chart out of the way now. Just first of all, I need to do a risk disclaimer. So please understand that Forex is extremely risky investment, and that you can lose more than your initial investment as well with aggressive leverage and improper risk management. So please remember that. I'm not offering you professional advice. I'm just a novice trader. I'm just showing you my journey as a novice trader to potentially a professional trader. So please just take my advice very lightly. And this is naked trading as well. So there's no indicators. So please remember that when you are trading, it's a demo account as well. So I've made that clearly aware. So there's no confusion about what I'm saying here. I'm just giving general advice. All right, so we'll get that out of the way. So let's have a look at another setup that I was monitoring. So the AusCAD, I also trade a double Bollinger Band method as well, and it's a custom indicator. So it's not just a double Bollinger Band. It also comes, so it has a 20-day moving average. And right here was a signal. Okay, and I didn't get into it. The reason why I didn't get into it, and I'm not long Aussie CAD, is because of this. So we've got the weekly chart up. There's just a little bit of resistance, some weekly resistance. So we're right up against it pretty much now. So it's how it plays out is going to be interesting. It's floating around it, so I would have done a 1.5R, so the stop loss would have probably actually been down here, and then it would have been 5 pips above the high, so he wouldn't have been cashed out at all. If we had the stop loss down here and the entry there, we still wouldn't have been cashed out at 1.5R. So missed opportunity, I can manage that. But anyway, let's go to the pound Kiwi. We'll see how the NZDJPY is looking. Okay, so I'm more of a trend trader. That's just my belief with trading. That's how I do it. So as you can see, this is pretty sweet, and it's gone through some resistance. It has got quite far from the 20-day moving average, so that would suggest to pardon me, that would suggest to me that it's quite overbought. So we can see a retrace here now. It's only Tuesday, and it's just beginning to start into the London session and then New York. So what I would say here is we have a little bit more of a retrace, and then we might get a buy signal perhaps, because the trend is pretty sweet. So just to recap, pound New Zealand dollar looking for a long if it presents, and then the New Zealand yen potentially. Now there is a little bit of correlation there, so obviously I'm looking for the pound to weaken, and the pound to weaken again with the NZ yen. So if the pound strengthens, that's going to mean that will go down, and then this will And that will, yeah, so we'll weaken the pound, so we'll go down, which is not really what I want. And then if this strengthens, it's going to bounce up. So, but they're not so strongly correlated that it's a huge issue for me. So that would be what I would say. So we're looking for Kiwi weakness. Let's just see how it's looking against the Aussie dollar. I haven't actually checked the Aussie dollar. Let's see what it's. Okay. So it's really, that's an indecisive sort of situation right there. It's a Tuesday. What's going on? Price action doesn't know what it wants to do. And okay, so we've had a little bit of a. The Reserve Bank of Australia left rates at 1.5% as well today, so that was expected. That was almost $1.01 odds that was going to happen. So there was nothing unexpected. So nothing really to report here, guys. Okay. Other than that, I'll wrap this up. Trade Talk will be back Thursday. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good week and happy trading. Bye.